Hi guys and welcome back. So Berachain is so hot and it's getting closer to the airdrop. But there are a couple of things that you should know if you want to boost your airdrop. And I will show you today 5 new protocols that you probably never used before that can boost your score. Plus, I will show you also how to become really a developer because I will show you a tool and I will explain to you step by step how to deploy a contract, and this is additionally to what we have seen into my last video where I was telling you how to deploy a token plus another couple of tricks and a whole breakdown on what is Berachain, what it's so unique, and which is the kind of guide step by step in order to have the fundamental at least to qualify for the airdrop. If you missed that video, we'll leave also the link to that into the right corner over here. Okay, guys, before to start, let me say this channel is about educational content and nothing has to be intended as financial advice. If you want to invest in anything, that's super fine, but do always your own research before. And guys, don't forget to leave us a big thumbs up, drop a comment to the comment section, please do that now, It's so important for us and can really help us to reach more people and to help more people to get the maximum out from this airdrop. And if you want to know more about airdrops, don't forget to check it out our weekly newsletter and our Twitter account. You will find all the links into the description below. Okay, guys, so let's start immediately. So the first application I want to show you, it's called Berachain. As you can understand, it's something called to ENS, so the Ethereum name service that we have seen. They got so incredible airdrop, and as always, the name service, it's something that is the backbone of any kind of blockchain. This is Berachain and it works exactly as you can imagine. Just connect to your wallet, click on create your Berachain. You can put down any kind of emoji, do whatever you want. It will cost you 0.01 Bera. As always, guys, Berachain is still on the testnet, so even if you pay something, it's still fake money. Just click register, complete the operation through your MetaMask account or whatever wallet you are using, and you are good to go. You can mint as many names as you want, as always. The more names, the more interactions you do in any chain, the better it is. You can even think about to create a name today, another tomorrow, and so on, in order to show you that you are active in different days. And as I will tell you, I don't know if you missed that video, but I will leave also the link in the right corner over here. That video that I just published the other day is showing you which are the rules if you want to qualify for any kind of airdrop. And it's really important for you to have all of them really clear in your mind, because if you're following them, well, you will get qualified for any kind of airdrop. So just repeat the process in any kind of day. The more days, the more weeks, the more months that you are following this rule, well, the better it will be for your score. Going on, because there is another kind of protocol is pretty easy and useful to be followed. This is a Faustet. It is additional to the one that we have seen in the last video. And here you can also, from one side, ask for more Bera. That's always useful. But on the other side, you can also start minting NFTs. What you can do right now is minting this NFT here, take in account that these NFTs are changing every week, every period, and you can mint more and different NFTs. As always, we don't know the rules on how people will be rewarded. What we know is that the more we do, the better it is. So here you can use your Bera or your Honey and simply mint this NFT. Additionally, you can also click here on Valentine's card and you can mint also the Valentine's Day NFT. As you can see, I have already received that, but you can repeat the same process and mint this NFT. Again, you will pay with your fake tokens on the Berachain Testnet. Going on, because there is a third one that is easy exactly as we have seen. In this case, instead of minting, we are deploying an NFT or a collection of NFTs. We will use NFTs to me. That is a service that you can use on different blockchains, but it's available also on Berachain. It's pretty easy. I will leave, don't worry, also the links of all these tools, all of these applications into the description, into the comment section below, so you can access them pretty fast. And what you have to do into this section is only write down the project name, token symbol, project description, whatever you can write whatever you want. It doesn't matter. And simply decide a collection size and upload any kind of image that you want to mint as an NFT. And after that, deploy to the Berachain Testnet. As you can understand, it's pretty easy. Just follow the steps, and also in this case, you can repeat that as many times as you want. It's not that just because you have deployed a single NFT or one collection that you are not allowed to produce more of them. Feel free to repeat this process as many times as you want. Going on, because this is pretty nice, that's something that I just found the other day, and it's called Jog Race. It is available on different blockchains. For example, I found that while I was looking for Mod Network, that is another airdrop. If you missed one, I will also suggest to check it out. But maybe if you're interested, just write me down into the comment section, and maybe we can go deeper also on Mod, because also that airdrop that's pretty interesting. What you have to do is go here, select the Berachain Testnet, as you can see selected on my screen. Once you have selected the Berachain Testnet, you can do two things. First of all, you can play, so you can simply select one of the available that is available on the Berachain. You have to identify them as the log with the logo of Berachain, and you will find also the Bera as the currency that will be used to sign that transaction. Or on the other side, you can create one. Feel free to do both of them. It is pretty straightforward. Basically, what is asking to you is click on that, interact with the protocol, sign it through your wallet. As always, guys, remember that when we talk about airdrops, we're talking about something that is really experimental. So it means that the risk is much higher than any kind of other protocol. So even if we are just on a testnet, don't give it for granted and just use your normal main wallet. Use something that is dedicated to try to play out different things. Don't use your main wallet. Defend yourself, protect your funds. That's the rule number one. Okay, now that we have finished the fourth one, let's go to the final one before digging into the system, how to deploy a smart contract into the Berachain testnet. I will show you just in a moment. Before, Bera404.com, that's the website. Also in this case, it is about minting a token. It is pretty simple. Just click mint and confirm a transaction through your wallet, and you are good to go. As you can see, all of the protocols that I just showed you are pretty easy to use. You can repeat the process as many times as you want, but and a big advantage of these protocols is that most people don't know about them, because most of the people are just following the traditional guide. That is the one that I just showed you in my previous video, when I was telling you go into the Berachain website, find all the dApps that are deployed directly by Berachain, and all the flow that I have already shown you just the day before. These protocols are something different and maybe can boost your airdrop. As always, we are still into the matter of uncertainty and possibility, so nothing is for granted. All we can do is try to boost our probabilities, hoping that we'll go through the best. Okay, now that we have understood that, let's dig on how to deploy a contract on Berachain. So first of all, you need to go to remix.ethereum.org. Also, in this case, I will leave you the link. Once you are into the website, just click on Contracts, Storage.sol. After that, go to Solidity Compiler, click on that, click on Compile, one storage and so on. Click on that, that's fine. We have just complete this step. After that, let's go to deploy and run transaction. Select here injected provider MetaMask in order to sign it through your MetaMask account. Once you have done that, just simply deploy and confirm the transaction on your wallet, and you are done. As you can understand, it is so easy, just a couple of steps, and you will be able to deploy a contract. As always, you can repeat this operation as many times as you want. If you have any kind of minimum knowledge into Solidity, you can even try to dig into the matter and customize different things, settings, and whatever you prefer. Just before ending this video, let me share with you two new projects that are just launching right now, that they have received a lot of money and they want to deploy on Berachain. The first one is Infrared. Infrared, as you can see, proof of liquidity in one click. They are saying that because they are on the Berachain. As you can see, they received a seed round of 2.5 million. That's pretty lot of money. The second is this one, Kodiak, also incubated by Build Bera, that is the incubator powered directly by the Berachain. The reason why I'm suggesting you to follow, and as you can see, I will do just right now, I will follow them both on Twitter, but also join their Discord and stay on track with what they do. It wouldn't be surprised that Berachain somehow will reward people who are following, interacting, or supporting. Maybe Infrared or Kodiak will launch an NFT collection or whatever. We don't know that. I can just recommend you follow what I do and be ready to take the opportunity, because obviously Berachain has their all interest to push their own projects, and these two are the first projects that are incubated directly by Berachain, so it could be another way to boost your airdrop. Guys, so let me know what you think. Don't forget to leave us a big thumbs up, drop a comment to the comment section below, and I will see you soon with another video. Bye guys.